Hello! Thanks for joining our series on English phrasal verbs. Here, we're practicing using common phrasal verbs with the help of your favourite TV shows. A phrasal verb is a verb that comes with another word that modifies its meaning. And today, we're going to look at the verb to stand. There are a few different phrasal verbs with the root to stand, and today we'll look at two of the most common ones. Let's take a look at this clip from the TV show The Simpsons. Lisa and Homer Simpson are having an argument. Lisa refuses to apologize to Homer. Pay attention to the sentence that Lisa says. Why is she refusing to apologize?
Lisa, you ruined my barbecue. I demand you apologize this second.
I'm never ever apologizing because I was standing just cause and you were wrong.
The words that were cut are the ones which change the meaning of the verb to stand. Did you manage to guess the words that were cut? Don't worry if not. I'm going to let you watch the clip again. And this time, to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to give you two choices. With these choices, the verb to stand can mean either to be very noticeable or to defend someone or something that you believe in.
Lisa, you ruined my barbecue. I demand you apologize this second.
I'm never ever apologizing because I was standing just cause. I'm never ever apologizing because I was standing up for a just cause.
Did you manage to guess it this time? Okay, let me explain why stand up for is the right answer. When you add the words up for to the verb to stand, the meaning changes. It no longer means simply to be in an upright position, the opposite of to sit. It now means to defend someone or something you feel strongly about or that you believe in. Whereas stand out means to be very noticeable. For example, he stood out because he was the only person wearing white at the funeral. Can you see the difference? We do have other common phrasal verbs with the root to stand, like to stand down or stand by. If you'd like to practice them, you can find them all in your Mosalingua app, along with the best tips about how to learn them the easy way. In the app, you'll also find lots of other useful vocabulary and advice on how you can learn a language. I know that you'll be using these phrasal verbs like a native speaker in no time. Check the links below and on the screen to download the app for free. And I'll see you again soon for another video on English phrasal verbs.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.